What's going on, hustlers? Welcome back into Hustlepedia. Today we are going to be taking a look at MetaWars, the upcoming multiplayer strategy and role-playing game with a vast universe powered by a growing digital economy built on blockchain technology. It's an upcoming space role-playing action RPG type of game built in space. It is a metaverse, and that is MetaWars. We are going into all the details on MetaWars here in this video, as well as the token that just went live for trading today, and why at this range we're going to start to look for a place to get in. And I am already invested into MetaWars, full disclosure. I have some MetaWars in my bags, but I wanted to bring this project to your attention and why I really like this project, the backing, the partnerships, the future marketing that this project will see whenever it goes live, and all in all, why I'm bullish on MetaWars. So let's go ahead and get into it here in this video. If you're new to the channel, guys, and if you are bullish on crypto gaming, we come out with brand new crypto gaming and altcoin videos here on the channel every single day. Be sure to drop down and hit that subscribe button. We come out with new videos every day here on the channel as far as projects we love and new projects across the crypto gaming landscape. And be sure to like the video if you enjoy the video and if you are bullish on MetaWars and crypto gaming. So MetaWars saw a pretty good launch today. It went up from about from whenever it went publicly trading. I entered about 20 cents and it ran up to about 38 cents. It is back down to about 22 cents still, so it has sold off a bit, but that is fine and that is healthy. So let's go ahead and get into MetaWars, guys. Choose your own path using a vast collection of NFTs and impact major event across the galaxy. As battles rage and governments fall, it is up to you to earn your share of the vast fortunes that await. And I thought this article on their Medium page does a really good job, because right now the game features is to be unlocked. So right now we're going to take a look at the Medium going over the game. And is a multiplayer role-playing game built on the blockchain. The global gaming industry is growing at a rapid pace, and we've talked about this in other videos. It's estimated that this year it will be valued at 2.725 billion US dollars. Gaming is growing at a growth sector expected to keep expanding until the end of the decade, and the NFT market have seen a boost of 125% in 5 years. So this is only just the beginning as far as gamifying NFTs and the crypto gaming movement, as far as mass adoption of crypto games that people are actually going to want to come over and be a part of the economy and earn crypto while playing their games and earn in-game assets. The in-game asset ownership wave is going to be massive, and MetaWars is designed for the idea of utilizing and testing the limits of blockchain functionality. There's going to be 4 key pillars in the gameplay of this game, and really 5. You'll have 4. Exploration, it will be one of them. Exploration, players will embark on a journey of discovery. They traverse the vast MetaWars galaxy that is constantly evolving and shifting from the collective actions of every player. The ability to stake, earn coins, and gather NFT collectibles provides an advantageous addition for these players, as earnings can then be used to buy Wars, the game's token. Fleet formation, players will have the option to customize their fleet of ships and robots. And the robots are going to be kind of like mechs, kind of like what you see in like Mech Master and like Phantom Galaxies. A lot of those projects, it'll kind of be the same type of thing when they say robots. Modular design allows players the ability to transform each ship into a specific role. Robots can be acquired through the lotteries and auctions, but there's a secondary market for robots and ships, all backed by NFTs, making them verifiably unique. We always talk about this on the channel. This is going to be the movement, right? Owning your ships in your games, owning your robots, owning your characters. It's no longer that skin that you're wearing in Fortnite is Fortnite's property, right? This is actually going to be your assets, and that is why gamifying NFTs and crypto gaming is going to be so big. The combat portion as well. This will be a big part of MetaWars. The universe is a dangerous place. Players will have the option to either fight in PvP or PvE modes, with the chance to earn rewards in Wars token. And then there will be a land aspect, guys. MetaWars, you can purchase planets for their bases of operations. By doing so, you're able to acquire exclusive rights to resource collection and other economic advantages. Basically, you will be able to earn passively based off the resources on your land. Those who are able to buy terrain on the same planet have the chance to become the primary owner of it. So you can literally become a quote-unquote owner of a planet with your land acquisition. Their roadmap Q3 2021, they're looking at preparing and planning and game design. Phase 2, Q4 2021, the DApp launch, IDO, which just happened today, live staking and live demo, that will be going live in Q4. Q1 2022, new in-game player roles, NFT marketplace, pre-sale for ships and terrain, and expanded PvE scenarios. Phase 4, Q2 2022, explore into Unity gameplay and introduce PvP gameplay scenarios. And fight, trade, and earn robot ships, planetary terrain backed by in-game NFT in-game items. The Wars token will become the anchor of the entire universe up for grabs. This project, it's very, I would say it doesn't look polished yet, but it doesn't look too, like, if this comes to the blockchain and brings a space metaverse with this type of feel to it, with these mech style characters, which have had a lot of success in previous style titles, like mech style games, and you take a look, it doesn't look too bad as far as gameplay, and these are just visual clips, so it'd be interesting to see some actual gameplay for MetaWars, but everything from MetaWars' Twitter is bullish. They're getting big time endorsements and partnerships from not only their backers and their team. They have awesome investors: Box Mining, Magnus Capital, Double Peak, Cinch Block, Raptor Capital, X21, Infinity Gains. As far as their investors go, Magnus Capital and Double Peak are very solid. And then Mr. Beast is also an investor, and this is verifiable. You can go check Mr. Beast's Twitter. He follows the MetaWars project. This is accurate. Mr. Beast is invested into this project, and eventually he will do some marketing, I would assume, for the MetaWars brand. Their partners also include Babylon's, Netvark, NFTB, NF Trade. Hacken is who they're audited by, a very reputable audit company and protocol as far as Hacken, and built on the Binance Smart Chain. You can enlist to join the journey. And they also have their NFT crates live right now. You can, until today, they have their NFT crates live right now. And we'll get to that in just a second. But I want to get into their token and their tokenomics. The Wars is the utility token of the metaverse that powers all game processes and developments. Has in-game features, governance, upgrade, staking, NFT marketplace, and play to earn rewards. The tokenomics are pretty solid: 20% for private sale, 2% for public sale, 28% for ecosystem rewards, giving a lot back to the community there, 13% for liquidity, 11% for treasury, 13% for team, 4% for advisory, and 10% for marketing. So really, their team here, you're looking at 11, 24, 28% from advisory, team, and treasury. Marketing, I do think that those marketing dollars will be put to use with Mr. Beast as a main investor into the project. We know Mr. Beast loves to do marketing, and not to say that he's pulling those strings for MetaWars, but I would think that those dollars will go towards marketing, that 10% slice. So only 28% of the team, very bullish on the tokenomics. Max supply is 1.5 billion. So that is good to see. The IDO was today, and it is listed on PancakeSwap right now and is tradable. And then I wanted to show the NFT auction that is going on right now. It goes on until today, the 27th. You'll have until the 27th for an auction. It is not guaranteed, but they're having auctions for their epic, ultra, and rare supply crates. You can get involved here as far as their top 10 bidders, next 15% excluding top 10, and the next 25%. More than one BNB will get an epic supply crate, and more than 0.5 BNB will get an ultra, more than 0.2 will get a rare. So as you see here, a lot of accounts participating, but very cool that they are doing this pre-sale lottery for their loot crates for an exclusive chance to obtain in-game NFTs that will enhance your experience in the world and in the ecosystem. I'm not the biggest fan with no gameplay of them selling the NFTs like this, but it is what it is. A lot of projects are doing it, and that's not going to be a make or break for me. All in all, I love the utility for the MetaWars token. I think that the in-game economy seems to be strong. The tokenomics are strong. I really like the backing behind this project as far as their partnerships and as far as their not only their partnerships, their investors, as far as Mr. Beast, Double Peak, and partnering with Netvark, built on Binance Smart Chain. MetaWars looks like a great project all in all, guys. Has a very good social following, 79,000 followers on Twitter, and their coin is getting a lot of eyes. Only 3,000 today, but it's the first day on CoinMarketCap. I definitely see MetaWars doing very well in this bull run in Q4, and I think that once more marketing comes for this project, you're going to see this thing skyrocket. I don't know how high it can go. It's already already at $400 million diluted market cap. But right now where it stands, I entered at 20 cents, and I'm expecting at least a 2+X on my investment on this project. As far as what I expect for this project to do in the future, I think this project runs up, and it has a similar market cap potentially to a project like Defina. And if you look at Defina's diluted market cap is at 665 million and a $30 million market cap at $6.66. It won't reach that level where the project is on diluted right now, but I think its diluted market cap or market cap can definitely reach these levels, and I think that would only drive the price up on the token for MetaWars. So be sure to check that out. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you everything I am looking at and investing in for Q4, and I really like MetaWars. I got in at 20 cents, and I'll be holding on to that for the time being. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like the video if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more. Let me know your thoughts on MetaWars down below and the Wars token. I'll be back tomorrow with another video as always. Stay bullish. Keep hustling. Peace.